Diaspora Land Bank presents Oduwa Estate Diaspora Community, transforming pieces of land into a peace of mind. Our process establishes a haven where the African diaspora can reconnect with their roots and create a sense of belonging in their new home. Introducing Diaspora Land Bank. The African diaspora plays a crucial role in Africa's development, providing valuable resources, skills, and expertise that contribute to the continent's growth and prosperity. As a vital link between their new homes and ancestral lands, diaspora members can foster economic, social, and cultural progress through investment, knowledge transfer, and collaboration. That is why the Diaspora Land Bank is here to support this connection. Located at Oduwa community, just 3 minutes drive from Lagos Express Road, Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria.